In the last video, we went over navigating the data collection form, and this is the form that's on the screen that we talked about. The legend for the different types of cells, column and row, is right here. We emphasize the need to put the tune-up number, project number, and the importance of changing that number on the second or successive tune-ups performed that day. The drop-down box, we said this was our residential. The account name, this is the name of the customer's email, and the customer phone number. You can type all of those in. The service address, as you can see, you type that in, click outside the box or tab to the next box, and you can fill it out. Zip code, site altitude, and the county. You can fill all of those out. Again, here you can type in customer comments, for later use. You need to make sure you put your technician number or your technician name. So I'm going to put mine in here. And you'll have a technician number that you received after you've been authorized to perform tune-ups. And you'll make sure and put that in there. This number, the tune-up number, and the test-in date, which is this form right here, actually make up the unique file name, so we can find this file when we need to. So in order to populate the date, you simply click this button below the date, and this is the way all the dates are below there, and it's going to insert the 12th day of October, year 2010. Your cell phone number should be in there. We'll have the contractor's name, the main contact, and the contractor's office phone number should be filled in. Your utility should be filled in if this is set up for SWEPCO. And so you'll see here's the file name that you're going to use. This is the unique file name that we will file this tune-up under. In order to save this, you'll notice, read these red instructions. You'll need to go to File, Save As. Another box will pop up. I'm going to go to the top of this box, left click and hold, and move this box over so I can see this file name while I type it in to this highlighted area. So this is CE space 001 dash space 10 dash 10-12. That's the file name, the unique file name that we're going to use for this. I want to save this on my desktop where I can find it. So I'm going to click desktop and save. Now you're going to notice it's going to change the file name up here from untitled to the file name we just typed in there. So you can check up there and make sure it is filed. Anytime you save, you'll see a green line go across the bottom. So you want to save this file on a regular basis quite often, so in case your battery runs out or something happens, you don't lose all the data you've already put in. You can save in a couple of ways. You can do a file, save, or save as. You can also hit Control S. I just hit Control S. So if there was anything to save, you would see that green stripe run along the bottom. We'll cover the actual test-in sheet next, which will be right here on the next video.